Hi, my name is Greg. Welcome to Napa Woodworks. Today I'm going to be trying to get my joiner straightened out. I've had it hanging around for a while. I bought it about 10 years ago. It's a Porter Cable 6-inch tabletop joiner, and I haven't used it really much. I did use it to make a table for my mom, using some white pine way back when. I know that's really soft wood, but it was what I could get my hands on, and it worked out great. Now the planer is dirty, it's rusty, it's been hanging around, in Florida. We got a lot of humidity. It's been in the garage. Went from one garage to another garage to another garage. Now it's here in the wood shop. So let's see if we can get it cleaned up, tuned up, and see how well we can make it work. Otherwise, I gotta go find myself a new planer. Thanks. So now I got the joiner set up on the table, grabbed some lacquer thinner, started going through and cleaning the surface with lacquer thinner. There was a little overspray for some finish, some rust spots on the aluminum. I don't know why the aluminum rusted, but then I realized that the lacquer thinner wasn't doing such a great job, so I grabbed a bowl with some water and simple green in it, degreaser, and a scrubbing sponge, and cleaned a lot of that off. Once I got the big brine, then I went back with some lacquer thinner to remove the rest of the finishes that were oversprayed. At this point, I'm checking the top of the planer, the two surfaces, the in-feed and out-feed tables for parallel and to each other, and realized that there was a corner over there that was a little out of whack too, so I take it all apart, and I decided to take the guard off, because the tool is unplugged, in order to be able to have better access to it. Once I grabbed the right hex wrench, got it open, and then you can see here that there was a mess inside, and thought it was clean, but I had to clean a little bit better. And found there was a big chunk of wood stuck underneath the table that was causing it to go out of whack. Alright, so that's the knives and the joiner and the set screws and the knives. They're not extremely sharp, so I'm going to have to either take them off and sharpen them one of these days or buy some new blades. I think I'm going to buy a new set of blades because they're only about 15 bucks on Amazon. So we're going to go through and we're going to finish put this thing back together, square it up, check for planes, and then we'll give it a test run. can see, today we were able to get that planer cleaned, squared it up. The blade needs to be sharpened. There's a little groove that comes out, a little pin line. So I gotta sharpen the blades. I might just buy new blades instead of trying to sharpen them. But it works. It's square, it works out good. I'm happy with it. I can use it now. So we'll start small. All we're gonna do is start with small projects and see where we end up. One day, maybe I'll get a nice big joiner. Maybe I can get a nice 8-inch, 10-inch, who knows, 20-inch. I don't know, those things are really expensive. But for now, this little one that I have is working great, okay? And it's tuned up and it'll be fine. I'm just gonna order some blades and we'll get some new blades on there. And maybe I get a helical head if it fits. I don't know, I gotta take the head out and see. But I don't know if I wanna invest that kind of money in a helical head on this little thing because it's cheap. I know I'm gonna replace it at some point. So the other thing that I gotta do is clean up and tune up the regular planer, the thickness planer, and see where we go from there. So for now, this is what I got. This is clean, it's working. It needs to sharpen up the blades, but I am getting the board square. They could be glued up with no problem. I could put some biscuits in. I could put some dowels in and glue up boards. I could just use the boards themselves with clamping pressure and lots of glue. Get the squeeze out and see where we end up. I don't know. For now, we're having some fun. We're taking care of a couple of things. So let me show you one more time what the tool looks like. So there it is. It's nice and clean. But thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe. I need to get to the 1,000 subscribers. I need to get to the 4,000 hours because that's what YouTube's new requirements are. And then hopefully once we get that, you know, we get more and more and more. You guys got to help me out. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want to see. I'm just a regular guy. Okay, I got regular tools. I don't have the expensive ones. I'd like to have them. I don't have a saw stop. I don't have Powermatic. I don't have the dominoes. I don't have any of those things. I just got regular DeWalt's. I got some rigids. I got Ryobis. I got whatever I can afford at the time that I need the tool. And I know they say buy the best tool you can afford at the time, which I've done. But the problem is sometimes those best tools you can afford at the time are just junk and you shouldn't even bother with them, okay? But we try to do what we can. And thank you again. Like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Okay, and I'll have more for you coming up soon. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.